Today, I'm going to show you all the ways to manage tickets and prices in ThunderTix. ThunderTix offers many ticket options, including imposing sales tax, capacities by ticket type, order limits, automatic price changes, and pricing by specific event dates and times, or by reserved seating sections. Since we covered how to create an event in another video tutorial, we're going to focus on just one aspect of your events: how to take advantage of all the options for your ticket types when creating or modifying your events. Let's discuss the basics of managing ticket prices. When you create an event, you enter your ticket type names along with the prices and more. To get started, select the event that you would like to modify and click the Manage button. This will bring you here, where we can dive right into managing our tickets and prices. Select the date and time that you would like to manage by clicking here or here, and we'll be brought to this page, where we can manage all of the ticket information. We can easily drag our ticket types to reorder them, and we can click this pencil icon here to edit them further. Now we have the option to edit this ticket's information. We can rename the ticket type here, and alter the price here. If you didn't fill out this information during your event creation, you can do that from here. For example, click here to turn on the Pay What You Can option, and then click here to set the minimum price you'd like your patrons to pay to receive a ticket. This is a great option if you offer a preview night of your production. Pay What You Can is also an excellent tool if you're holding a fundraiser or for virtual events. Utilize the ticket type description to appeal to your customers' generosity. Likewise, a description is helpful for all kinds of tickets. Customers will see the description beneath each ticket name. This helps customers fully understand the type of ticket they're purchasing. You can click this if you want tax applied to the ticket type. To edit your tax rate, go to the Checkout tab of your account settings and enter the percentage there. You can also set a capacity for the ticket type. Capacities on tickets are primarily for tickets with a limited quantity, like VIP seating. If you have a single ticket type, the capacity field should be left blank, since the capacity will be controlled from the event. We cover setting event capacities in our event tutorial. Next, you can limit how many of this ticket type a single customer can purchase per order. This is more commonly used by venues with member-only events. For example, a member may be limited to bringing a single guest, so you would create a guest ticket with maximum purchase quantity per order of 1. This field should not be used unless you have restrictions on individual ticket types as just described. This field should not be confused with event order limits, which limit the total purchase quantity of all ticket types combined in an order. We cover setting order limits on the event in our event tutorial. Further to the right, you'll see the Visibility button, which allows you to restrict tickets for private in-house use only. The default for all tickets is public, but some organizations set this for private group pricing, member pricing, or comps. Even if you're not ready to release the event to the public yet, the tickets should still be set as public because you control the access of the event through the Public Display tab of the event's settings as covered in our events video. Some of these options, like ticket capacities and order limits, are not available with reserved seating events. This is because the capacity is already limited by the actual seats available within the seating chart. Now, this hourglass icon allows you to create dynamic ticket pricing to increase the price automatically as the event approaches. The first input box starts today, or now as it's shown, and in the other, enter the number of days prior to the event when you want the price to change. This is commonly used to offer early bird pricing for a limited time and also to increase the ticket price on the day of the event. To set the next price, hit this plus button and enter the increased price with the day parameters you desire. Now, 100 days prior to my event, the price changes to this, so I would put 99 days here until 1 day before the event, to set the price of those last-minute door sales. If you want to delete one of your price changes, click this button here. We also have the option of adding additional ticket types here. If you add a ticket type to one performance and you want it added for all of your performances, check this box here to apply prices to all performances, saving time instead of adding them one at a time to each individual date and time. This works for all ticket type changes. And you can delete ticket types with this trash can icon. If you delete a ticket type, it becomes inactive, and you can view all inactive ticket types with this button here. Tickets that were sold prior to deleting a ticket type are not lost, and you can see the total number of tickets sold from inactive ticket types here as well. We record all edits to each ticket type made throughout the event. Click this here to view the revision history for the ticket type. If you have scanned any of the tickets sold for a given ticket type and wish to reset them, or in other words, permit them to be scanned a second time, you can click this red icon to reset and unscan all barcodes for a given ticket type. This is commonly used for multi-day events where customers purchase a ticket to allow entry over multiple days. Unscanning the tickets at the end of the day permits them to be scanned again on subsequent days. Alright, we have finished covering managing tickets and pricing for both general admission and reserved seating events. If you have any more questions, be sure to take a look at our other tutorial videos, how-to guides, and visit our support forum. Thank you for watching.